share with you two free picks here. Picked these in the last couple weeks. Here is a Craftsman 4.5 horsepower eager one, and it's missing the pull start. I picked that free, I forget where now, but I think it was side of the road or something. And this one I got at the town dump today. Pulling 5 horsepower, powered by the Briggs & Stratton. And what I did, I got it running. It runs pretty good. I'll try a cold start on it. I changed the gas on it, and I put some carburetor cleaner in the carburetor. That's about it. Got a nice deck on it. Let's see if it'll start. 2, 3. Let's see if I can do this here. I just put down the camera. You can you see that? Let me see. Set up the angle here. There it is. So it cuts grass real good. I don't know, why would somebody get rid of this? It's like brand new. Anyhow, thought I'd share with all YouTubers a couple cool free lawnmowers on Corinth 1121.